Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the encoder strip back on. So I'll have that one to the side. I've already cleaned it off. Now I'll get my little spring out, making sure, being real careful not to drop it. Those little black holes that open up underneath your carpet will open up and eat it, so just be careful not to drop it. Alright, so when you're putting the encoder strip back onto the machine, there is an S over for the right hand side. It should be readable towards the front of the machine. If you have it twisted backwards, the S looks backwards. Alright, so I'll pull the print head carriage over here to the left, and I will feed it behind the head so that way it fits into its little slot that I showed you earlier. Once it comes out the other side, I'll grab a hold of it, just kind of guide it in there. I'll push the carriage towards the middle of the machine, and then I will take this left hand side, twist it up so that way I can fit it over top of this post, and then twist it back. And then over here on the right hand side of the machine, I will fit it over top of the little post. It does not tuck up underneath. Once I got it over there on this little hook over here on this side, then I can add my spring. Tweezers really help for this procedure. So one side will probably have a little opening on it. I'll grab the other side with my tweezers and hook it through the little hole that's over here on the left, and then pull the spring over top of its little post over here on the right, keeping it nice and taut. Alright, being careful not to overstretch it or bend it. Alright, so now I'll look at it and verify that it can still go back and forth nicely. It does. Now I can put on my ribbon cape. Sideways a little bit here.